Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you've got your other video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and connect Uber Eats tablet to printer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all access your particular Uber Eats, and then afterwards you're gonna encounter this kind of interface. Then you will find this option called three horizontal option on top left corner of your screen. Go ahead, tap on that particular option menu, and it will simply enlace the options which will include the option of receipt printing. Once you're done with all of the receipts, you're ready to go. It's now the only step is for you to print. Go ahead, tap on the receipt printing. Now you can see we have enabled that on a green dot on top. Make sure you have enabled that, and you can also go ahead check on the number of copies that you need according to the products that you have to ship. Afterwards, in the below section you're going to find a connected printer. If your printer is the first time you're connecting, it's gonna roam around till it finds the printer to connect on. Once it's done, it's gonna get connected, and it will also have this option of test print beside. You can tap on it and it will simply show you the reference of the receipt of yours. Once you're done checking it, you're gonna go back and simply tap on this automatically print receipt here and below. Once you tap on it, it will turn green like just the above receipt printing, and then you will be able to print your particular receipt right there just from your printer by following the steps. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.